Hi everybody, my name is Joshua. Today we're going to teach you how to set up the focus for the laser machine and also how to set up the autofocus for our EngravCut 1390X model. Okay, so basically the focus distance is very important for a laser machine to cutting the job because if it's out, you are losing the time and your materials, then you don't even get what you want. So it's very important part. Today we need actually some of the tools. It's very simple. You need a ruler, you need the chip. Okay, this chip for our 1390X machine is just for autofocus. Then you also need the computer into your machine. Okay, then from this side. Basically, we're gonna set up this chip under the sensor. Then we're gonna run the autofocus. Gonna run the autofocus from here. Okay. Now the presetted autofocus is being done on the machine, but it's out, actually it's out. So for what happens is like if we pause, you will see the dot is such big. So this thing makes the power of laser doesn't exactly going through into the right point. What we need to do is like from this stage, we have to just using our ruler. Okay. I would like to using this angle 90 degree to making sure my ruler is 90 degrees straight onto the board. Then I might just find out one of the point over here. Okay, let's say from the table to the okay, let's say I'm gonna using this sensor, the bottom line of the sensor. Let's say it looks like 20 millimeter from the board to the sensor, 20 millimeter. So we're gonna keep them in my mind. Then thereafter, we're going to do a menu setting up. So this part is also for some of our machine doesn't come with autofocus. So firstly, let me just release this stuff. Release this screw, so the laser head can moving up and down. So from this stage, I'm gonna just set up the height and shoot the dot onto the material until I find the smallest dot. You might get somebody helping you in this stage. Okay. Okay, seems like this is the smallest dot. Let's just lock it. Okay. So from this part, the laser head has been set up. The focus distance has been set up. But for our autofocus machine, we need to still setting some parameters into the motherboard and computer. So from this stage, we'll do the same thing. And watching from side is about 14. Okay, this bit. Just move this stuff. Sure. So basically, it looks like 14 millimeter 13.5 millimeter from the board to the bottom of sensor. So how much is the difference? About 6.5, let's say 6 millimeter. Okay, 20 divided with 14 is 6 millimeter. So 6 millimeter difference with our preset of the parameters. So from this stage, we are going to come to the software. This is the RDCam or LaserWorks software. We're gonna go through to the vendor setting. Then the password will be RD8888. Okay. So from here, first we go in File, find vendor setting. Okay. Then we type in RD8888, small capital. Then we go into the settings of the program. Just focus. Okay. From this stage, we have to make the connector from the computer to the machine. So we have to press read. So after we computer read the parameter, all the button becoming available. Then we going to Z axis from motor Z axis. Okay, from here we need to watching at this home offset. So as the presetting in the motherboard, it's 10 millimeter different. So we're gonna just either add 6 millimeter or divide 6 millimeter. So it can be 16 millimeter or 4 millimeter. Yeah. Okay. From this stage, we're gonna try 4 millimeters first. Okay. After we change that, we have to write it back. Okay. So now, after we press right button, the setting already been right into the motherboard. Let's see what's going on. Okay. We're going to do the autofocus again. Okay. Let's do the pulse shooting the okay. We'll see the dot is getting small. This is the previous one. This is the small. This is the new one. Let me move the board, and you will see it clear. We will see the dot is getting small. You can just focus. Yeah, this dot, and this is the previous one. Okay. Now the setting is done. With our S model or any other model without autofocus, you just need to do the menu part. Then you have to measure out how much distance from the laser head, bottom of the laser head to the materials. You just need to measure out the distance from here to the board. Then you can make something like you can cut out a piece of the super wood or a piece of the perspex within that size. So every time you just need to fit the stuff on the bottom. You just need to, for example, this is the part this is the things you made. You can just put it there and adjust the laser head to touch the items. Then you lock it. You will find your focus distance. This is for the machine. Doesn't come with autofocus. Okay, thank you for your time to watching the video. I hope this video helps a lot. If you had any requirement or any technical supporting you need from us, welcome to giving me a call. 011-823-1092. EngravCut Automatic Machinery. Will be your best friend. Thank you.